In this video, I will show you how to cancel your Jasper AI subscription. So let's jump straight into it. So just to let you know, these steps are the same. So whether you have a free trial or you're currently using a paid subscription, just follow along with these steps as they are the same. And what you want to do first is log into your account. So once you're logged in, you'll be on your dashboard, which is going to look similar to this. And what you're going to want to do is come into your settings. To do that, what you're going to want to do is come up to the top left-hand corner to your account name, click onto the drop-down box to bring up the menu, and you'll see the settings option here. So just go ahead and give that a click. From here, if you look to the left-hand side, you're going to have some different options. Now, underneath workspace settings, you're going to see one called billing. So what you want to do is click onto this. And you'll see from here you can actually cancel your account. So just to note that, as it says here, please be aware that cancelling your account will cause you to lose all of your saved content. So if you want to go ahead and cancel, just go ahead and press the cancel button here. And what it's going to do is going to basically give you a quick summary of what's going to happen if you cancel. So you can read through this, just make sure you're clear on everything before you go ahead. Because I'm currently on a 7-day free trial, they're actually offering a extension on the trial by 7 days. So if you want to extend the trial, you can do. If not, then you can just come down, click the decline offer button down here. And then what they're going to do is ask for a reason for why you're cancelling. Now, if you can't see the reason here, just go ahead and select other reason. And what it's going to do is bring up an additional box. So you can put this into here. Your reason, you don't have to, it's completely optional. And then click the next button down here. Again, what they're going to do is see if maybe it's a problem with the plan, maybe it's not affordable. So they're going to offer you some alternatives. But if you're sure you want to cancel and you want to go ahead, just again, click decline offer. And again, they're going to ask for some feedback. So if you do want to put some feedback, again, you don't have to, this is optional. You can go ahead and put that in the box down here. And once you've done that, click next. And once again, they're just going to give you a quick summary of what's going to happen if you cancel your account. So if at this point you're definitely sure you want to cancel, then just go ahead and press the black cancel button down here. And you'll see what's going to happen. You're going to get a confirmation box in subscription cancelled. You won't be billed again. So I hope this tutorial helped out today. And if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.